Types of relations. Objectives. Types of relations from one set to another set. Types of relations on a set. If you look at a collection of people, you can think of there being a relation between height and age. Age in months: 36, 48, 51, 57, 60. Height in centimeters: 86, 90, 91, 94, 95. R equals to set of order pairs 36, 86, 48, 90, 51, 91, 57, 94, 60, 95. Let's study the types of relations based on number of ways of association. Types of relations from one set to another set. 1-1 relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be 1-1 relation if no two elements of A are related to same element of B. 1-to-many relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be 1-to-many if an element of A is related to two or more elements of B. Many-to-one relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be many-to-one if two or more elements of A are related to one element of B. Many-to-many relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be many-to-many if two or more elements of A are related to two or more elements of B. Empty relation. A relation R from A to B is called an empty relation or a void relation if R equals to phi. Universal relation. A relation R from A to B is said to be the universal relation if R equals to A cross B. Identity relation. A relation R on a set A is said to be identity relation on A if R equals to set of order pair comma B such that belongs to capital A, B belongs to capital A, and A equals to B. Thus, identity relation R equals to set of order pair comma. Identity relation on set A is denoted by IA. Note: empty relation and universal relation are called trivial relations. Illustration: let A equals to set of 1, 3, 5. R is defined as A, B belongs to R if A into B is odd. Since multiplication of odd numbers is odd, R equals to set of order pairs 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. R is defined as A, B belongs to R if A into B is even. Since multiplication of odd numbers is odd, no element of A is related to any element of A. That is, R is empty relation. R equals to phi. R is defined as A, B belongs to R if A plus B by 2 equal to A. Consider A plus B by 2 equal to A implies B equal to A. That is, A related to B implies B equal to A implies A related to itself. Hence, R is identity relation on A. Therefore, R equals to set of order pairs 1, 1, 3, 3, 5, 5 equals to A. Summary.